Hey everyone, if you're experiencing FlowGPT login issues in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you several ways to fix common sign-in problems and regain access to your account. First, login problems can happen because of incorrect passwords, browser issues, expired sessions, or temporary server outages. Start by making sure you're entering the correct email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password option and follow the recovery instructions. Sometimes login errors are temporary. Refresh the page and try again. Clearing your browser cache and cookies can resolve authentication and loading problems. Ad blockers or privacy extensions may interfere with the login process. Temporarily disable them and try signing in again. If the problem continues, switch to another browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. VPNs and proxy services can occasionally cause login issues. Try turning them off temporarily. If FlowGPT servers are experiencing problems, you may need to wait until the service becomes available again. If you originally signed up with Google or Discord, make sure you use the same login method. For the best experience, keep your browser updated and save your login information securely. A common mistake is trying different login methods instead of using the one you originally used to create your account, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix FlowGPT login issues in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.